When installing a new washing machine, firstly ensure that the 3 transit bolts are removed correctly from the rear. These bolts are solely for transportation purposes, and if left in, they would cause your machine to be noisy and could even cause serious damage to the appliance and surrounding units. Wherever possible, a washing machine should be located on a level, hard floor and not pushed up against walls or other units. The machine should be adjusted until completely level by loosening or tightening the feet as shown. Leveling the feet correctly will help prevent the machine from vibrating. Use a spirit level to check that the appliance is level and stable. Where the machine must be located on a suspended wooden type floor, some vibration is inevitable, but ensuring the floor is as stable as possible will minimise this. If you need any more help or advice, our consumer care team will be happy to help.